Most traffic methods online are short-lived. Ads get expensive, social media algorithms change, and SEO often takes months. But ghost pages give you a way to build traffic that lasts for the long term, without relying on paid ads or complicated funnels. Here's why. Ghost pages are built on Google's own properties, which means they get indexed and ranked quickly. And once they're up, they keep working for you around the clock, bringing in visitors day after day. To turn ghost pages into a long-term strategy, the key is consistency. Don't just build one or two. Instead, stack multiple pages across different keywords and niches. Each one becomes a small traffic machine, and together they create a network that's hard to beat. Because ghost pages require no hosting, no domains, and no tech skills, you can scale as much as you want. Over time, your library of ghost pages works like digital real estate, quietly driving traffic to your offers, affiliate links, or email list, all on autopilot. If you want to learn step by step how to build ghost pages into a sustainable traffic system, check the link in the description and start today.